Welcome to MSc Transformers Private Limited, where innovation meets excellence in the world of electrical solutions. We take pride in our commitment to delivering high-quality transformers and electrical solutions tailored to meet the evolving needs of our clients. With a rich legacy over a decade founded in 2013, we have positioned ourselves as a leading player and preferred brand in the transformer industry. We aim to earn our customers' trust by delivering innovative, high-quality products, solutions and services, becoming their trusted partner in value creation. With constant guidance of our directors, Mr. Mahadev Shankar Chavan, Mrs. Chhaya Mahadev Chavan, and young generation entrepreneur, Mr. Sandesh Mahadev Chavan, has laid the foundation of reliable, efficient and sustainable electrical solutions that power the future. We strive to exceed customer expectations through continuous innovation and a customer-centric approach. Our mission is to become market leader by providing high level of accountability, responsibility and integrity by offering quality products and services to our esteemed customers. Our vision is to be the leader in transformer industry around the world with most respected brand and preferred company of its sector. Our infrastructure. At the heart of our success lies our state-of-the-art manufacturing facility in Jejuri, MIDC, Pune. It is one of the largest transformer manufacturing facilities in India with capacity of 3000 MVA per year and equipped with the latest technology and operated by a team of skilled professionals with 100 kVA to 2500 kVA as per BIS 1180, up to 33 kV class and up to 20 MVA as per IS 2026 up to 33 kV class, 500 MVA plus transformer manufacturing capacity, and we guarantee precision and excellence in every product we create. Complete solution at one stroke. Our product range includes a diverse array of transformers designed to meet the unique requirements of various industries. From power transformers, distribution transformers, compact substation, Easter oil type transformer to special application transformers, we offer cutting-edge solutions that ensure seamless and reliable power distribution. MSc Transformers is also engaged in turnkey solutions catering various projects, also providing trading equipments to other companies. Our heavy-duty transformers are the workhorses that ensure reliable and efficient power delivery, even in the most demanding applications. MSc Transformer have in-house R&D department, design team and testing facility which is responsible for driving progress and creating new products, services and technologies that keep the company competitive in the market. Quality is non-negotiable at MSc Transformers with on-time delivery commitment. Our rigorous quality control processes ensure that every product leaving our facility meets international standards. We are proud to hold certification of ISO 14001 that reflect our commitment to excellence. We extend our hands to empower electrical contractor and sectors like defense, MES, automobile, mall, industries, substation, power plant, wind power, agriculture and irrigation, infrastructure tower, railway and export. Not only delivering product, but we master our services elite to electricals, equipments, RMU, LT panels, CSS, etc. At MSc Transformers, we believe in giving back to the community and minimizing our environmental impact. Our corporate social responsibility initiatives reflect our dedication to creating a better world for future generations and aiming for high-rating transformers. Awards and recognition. MSc Transformers has been recognized for its achievements in the transformer industry. The company has received a number of awards, including National Award for Excellence in Manufacturing from the Ministry of Industry and Commerce of India. Our customers come first, so we have established a robust network and efficient processes to ensure prompt delivery to a wide range of government, private departments and MNC companies, regardless of the location. MSC Transformers is also known for its continuous support to clients provided through on-site visits or online customer care services. We have been trusted by 1,000+ customers across India. Our valued customers include: as we continue to transform the future of electrical solutions, we invite you to join us on this journey. For inquiries, collaborations, or to learn more about our products and services, contact us at 744-744-6341, 42 and 45. Our email address sales@msctransformers.com. Thank you for choosing MSC Transformers. Precision in power, excellence in every turn.